Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix the error. You'll need to provide administrator permission to copy this file or folder. Okay, so now you're here. Open up your folder, go to this PC and go to the C here and then right click it, go to properties and then go to security. Once you're here, click on this edit. And now, what you want to do is click add. And then go to advanced. Go find now. Scroll down until you find everyone. Click on this. And then double click it. Okay. And now click OK. When you're here, you can just check this box here. Full control. Check it. Click apply. Click yes, and then just wait for this to load. So once it's done, you can just click OK and restart your PC. After that, it should work. So now you know how to fix the error. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.